The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is redefining luxury travel with a perfect blend of commercial-grade durability and high-end comfort. Built on a heavy-duty truck platform, this motorhome is designed for long-haul adventures, offering unmatched power, advanced technology, and a premium living experience. For those who demand the best in motorized travel, Kenworth delivers an uncompromising solution that combines performance with home-like amenities. The exterior of the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is a statement of strength and elegance. Featuring an aerodynamic front fascia with Kenworth's signature chrome grille and high-intensity LED headlights, this motorhome is designed to command the road. The large, panoramic windshield ensures superior visibility, while the sculpted side panels enhance aerodynamics for improved fuel efficiency. Built with high-strength aluminum and composite materials, the body is both lightweight and incredibly durable. Side-mount storage compartments provide ample space for gear, while an automatic retractable awning extends at the touch of a button for instant outdoor relaxation. The motorhome also features integrated solar panels on the roof, supplying sustainable energy for off-grid adventures. Stepping inside, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome offers a spacious and luxurious interior designed for ultimate comfort. Premium leather seating, hardwood cabinetry, and soft-touch surfaces create a refined atmosphere. The open-concept floor plan includes a full-size living area with a high-resolution entertainment system, surround sound, and customizable ambient lighting. A touchscreen smart control system allows passengers to manage climate, lighting, and entertainment with ease. The kitchen is fully equipped for gourmet cooking, featuring a stainless steel induction cooktop, convection microwave, residential-style refrigerator, and high-end quartz countertops. Ample storage, including overhead cabinets and pull-out pantries, ensures that everything needed for extended trips is within reach. A fold-out dining table provides a comfortable space for meals or remote work. The master bedroom is designed for relaxation, featuring a king-size memory foam bed with integrated heating and cooling options. Overhead storage, USB charging ports, and adjustable LED reading lights add convenience. The rear of the motorhome includes a full-size bathroom with a luxury rainfall shower, a high-efficiency toilet, and a modern vanity with LED backlighting. Under the hood, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is powered by a 12.9-liter PACCAR MX-13 diesel engine, delivering an impressive 510 horsepower and 1,850 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse engine is paired with a 12-speed automated manual transmission, ensuring smooth and efficient performance on any terrain. With a towing capacity of up to 200 pounds, this motorhome can easily haul additional vehicles, trailers, or recreational equipment. An advanced air suspension system provides a smooth and stable ride, adapting to road conditions in real time. The motorhome also features regenerative braking, enhancing efficiency while reducing wear on the braking system. A 200-gallon fuel capacity allows for extended travel without frequent refueling, making it ideal for long-distance journeys. Safety and technology are at the forefront of the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome. A full suite of driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless maneuvering. The integrated navigation system provides real-time traffic updates, while the digital cockpit displays essential driving and performance data with crisp clarity. For off-grid travelers, the onboard energy management system utilizes solar panels and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery bank to power all onboard electronics. A smart home integration system allows users to control lighting, temperature, and security remotely via a mobile app. Combining industrial-grade strength with high-end luxury, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is the ultimate choice for those who demand power, performance, and comfort on the road. Whether embarking on a cross-country expedition or seeking a 5-star mobile living experience, this motorhome is engineered to deliver an unmatched travel experience. With its rugged reliability, cutting-edge technology, and refined interior, the Kenworth Motorhome is built to take adventure to the next level.